Hi everyone, welcome back to the Newtown Family channel, and today I am going to make some katsu chicken, some what else? Some seaweed rolls. Those are already pre-made, and some rice. I don't know, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, but that's what I'm gonna make today. So come along and cook with me. Okay, so right now I got, I have the chicken, eggs, flour, and panko, or panko, whatever, however you say it. And the oil is getting warmed up, so I'll show you. So I have the chicken seasoned, salt and pepper, a little bit of Cajun in there. I got 6 eggs. There's about 14 skinless. There's 14 skinless chicken thighs. So it's dark meat. I like the dark meat. You can use white meat, the chicken breast. But I think, for me, I like the taste of katsu with the dark meat. And then I have 6 eggs and flour and panko crumbs. And then I got my oil right here starting to boil. Okay, so in order for you to know if the chicken is fully cooked, it has to be 165 degrees. And so I have a thermometer. Right now the reading is 83 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll just poke it in one of the chickens. So right here, I just poke it in to get an instant reading. And right now it's 192, 168. So it looks like it's cooked. I did cook it for 6 minutes. So we'll just wait for the timer to go off, and then we'll pull them off and cool them on this rack. So I'm pulling them out right now. These tongs have a little grip to it. It's so I can poke it. If any blood comes out, it means it's not cooked. So there it is right here. Okay, so I'm letting them, and I'll put in another batch. Okay, it's cooked. Has to be at 165. Right now it's at 182. Just go around the chicken. Make sure every part of the chicken is cooked, because you don't want people to be like, your chicken is not cooked. And I'll be like, no, it's cooked. It was 165. Then I'm gonna put it on the rack and let it cool down. Nice and juicy. With katsu, after it cooks, after you take it out of the stove, it will continue to cook. So we'll just keep cutting until the next batch is ready. It's not funny. Salas, knock it off. Got the katsu. Got the seaweed rolls. Some rice and potato salad. Yeah, right there. It's inside there. Inside there.
With the chicken.
And what is this called? Pickle radish. Oh, pickle radish and cucumber salad. That's what we got. Not bad. Not bad at all.
I got these puppet marks. You know what Grandma told me today? When we were in center?
She was crying when you bore your testimony.
Mom. We'll tell you what the little girl said.
Who said that?
This is gonna be like, why do you always go where there's food?
You sure do.
I was like, yeah, I just invited myself.
This one is like this.
Okay,
It's just
I'm trying to
radish.
open this one. I've never had this one. Oh, this is like so good. I feel so spoiled.
Loa's here. He's sampling all the foods.
Sandy is the best Korean cook. Ribs, chicken, Korean like sushi
She has
stuff.
some chicken
Yes. And
salad
she makes
sandwich.
the best katsu ever. And all the times
Loa! Hey, keep coming. Keep the compliments
Crispy
coming.
on the outside, juicy and moist on the inside.
This is Loa's
Yes.
plate right
Yes, so good.
here. She got the
That
ribs.
katsu is so good. The fish is really good, whoever made the fish. And the sandwiches.
Anna Marie made the fish.
Wow. You guys are
Well, that's the end of our video tonight. Just wanted to thank you guys for coming along and watching my videos. I did hit 2,000 subscribers this week, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I will link the katsu recipe below for all of you guys to make it at all your little family events or whatever. But yeah, it's a very simple recipe. Anyone can do this at home. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.